What's this? Hey, what's in here? Oh, whoa, dude. Yeah. You gonna help me pull it out? No fear, huh? Not like last year.
That one.
Yeah. Big handfuls. Grab it. Grab it and pull it out. Not little pieces. By the handful. Big chunks.
Whoa, what's this one?
Those are seeds.
That was seeds?
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming to get you.
Oh, there's a bug by Mama's foot. Okay. Pull, pull, pull. Here, Mama, help.
Now I'm going to teach Mona.
You want to use the spoon? Oops. Alright, can you grab that big pile?
Now I'm going to do it.
Okay. Use your hand. Go in there and pull it out.
No, not a spoon.
This will take about 2 weeks. They should be ready by, I think, Halloween.
I can do it.
Yeah? Reach in there. Here, watch Mama. This is just to loosen it. Like this. Yeah, buddy. Good job. Good job. Whoa, careful.
I slid down.
Yeah, don't slide down. Good job. Dig, dig, dig. Dig, dig, dig. All right. Good job, bud. Good job. Smile. Cheese.